Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I am Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will show you a giveaway that Microsoft is doing. So you can download from them virtual machine images and you can get Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 with Edge, Internet Explorer 11, 10, 9 or 8. So this is really very interesting because if we select here, for example, this one, we will see that the images will be able to apply it on VirtualBox, Vagrant, VMware, HyperV or Parallels. So there will be a large coverage of the virtual machines, so you can use them to test your software, or you can use them for practically anything. The Windows will work for 90 days, after which it will expire. However, after 90 days you will be able to re-download a virtual machine from here and you will be able to reactivate it. Or even more, you can use a snapshot and revert the snapshot to the first day of usage, and like this you will have an activated Windows for a long time. And here it is. The zip files have a password and your password is this. So go ahead guys, download a virtual machine image and use it as you wish, because Microsoft allows this and they will give this away for free. So yeah, this is all. I will link in this video's description the link where you will find this giveaway. Go ahead and check it until it lasts. And yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this giveaway and I hope I helped. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.